Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a question of the day, which is from simple and compound interest. So let's move ahead and check out the question. So the question says that a SME enterprise borrowed a sum of money from a nationalized bank at 10% simple interest per annum and the same amount at 8% simple interest per annum from a microfinance firm for the same period. Okay. Uh, It cleared the first loan 6 months before the scheduled date of repayment and cleared the second loan just at the end of scheduled period. Okay. If in each case he had to pay rupees 62,100 as amount, then how much money and for what time period did it borrow? Okay. So what we have been given in this question is that the same amount of money is being borrowed. Okay. So what we can say is that amount is equal. Okay. Also it is being said that the time period is also same for both. Okay. Acha. And in each of the case they had to pay the equal amount. Okay, so if the principal borrowed, let's not write it amount over here, let's say the sum borrowed is equal and even the amount paid is equal. Okay, amount is equal. So what does this signifies? This signifies that the interest would be equal. Okay, so interest is also equal. Okay, now if interest is equal, and what we can see is that the rates are in the ratio 5:4. Okay, so if the rates are in ratio 5:4, and because the sum is equal, amount is equal, and the total interest is also equal, and the rates are in ratio 5:4, that means what we can definitely say is that time will be in ratio 4:5. Okay, time will be in ratio 4:5. That is one thing which is sure. Now in the question it had said that they were taken as a loan for the same period, but the first loan was cleared 6 months before the scheduled time. Okay, so that means, okay, let's consider this as 4x and this one as 5x. So what we can see is that the difference is coming down to be 1x, and that 1x is equal to given is equal to 6 months. Okay, because that's the difference. Okay, so whatever the time period was, one was submitted 6 months before, so that the difference of 4x and 5x, that has been given to us as 6 months. Okay, so what we can conclude from here is that the time period in which the first loan was submitted was because 1x is equal to 6 months, so 4x will be equal to 24 months, that will be equal to 2 years. Okay, 2 years. And similarly for the second case, because it is 5x, so what we can say that the time period for second loan is going to be equal to 2.5 years, right? 2.5 years. Okay, so one thing what we can say is that our answer is going to be between C and D. Okay, but now we also have to find that how much money was borrowed. Okay, because we do not know the sum. So for calculating the sum, because it is in simple interest, we can directly put up the formula. The formula will be principal plus principal into time. So time will be given as 2. We can take for the case for the first one, okay, the 10% one. So time will be 2 years because it was submitted in 2 years, and the rate interest would be 10. Okay, and divided by 100. So that's the formula for our simple interest, and this is given equal to the amount. So amount is given to us as 62,100, right? 62,100. So upon solving this, what we get is that P will be equal to 5 by 6 of 62,100, and ultimately P will come out to be 51,750. Okay, so amount comes out to be 51,750 and a time period comes out to be 2.5 years. Why not 2 years? Because 2 years because it was paid 6 months earlier. Okay, the actual time period was 2.5 years. So from this what we can say is that our answer is going to be option number C. So I hope you have understood the question well, and you can join our Facebook group for a cat 21 course and for field practice sessions. Thank you.